If I knew that it was possible to make pepper like this, I would have done it before. Super tasty and come that I'm gonna teach you. We'll use 1 chopped onion, 1.5 cups of rice, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, parsley to taste, 1 chopped tomato, black pepper. Here we're going to use the seasons we prefer, okay? I put salt, oregano, paprika, 3 tablespoons of oil. And now let's mix everything very gently, okay? Until it's all together. Then let's take the pepper, okay? The big ones, and we are going to fill it with the rice. Like this, guys, to the top. And we are going to make it with the amount of pepper or rice you have at your house. Here it yelled a lot, okay? And now let's put it into a pan to cook it. I put on top of it some tomato just to give a special touch to it, like juiciness, okay? It will release the water from the tomato and it will help in the cooking process. Let's prepare 3 cups of water, a cup of tomato sauce, and mix everything. The tomato sauce, I'm using the extract, okay, that it's stronger. And now let's put it all over the pepper to guarantee the rice will be seasoned and cooked at the same time. I also put some oil on top of it. Now, guys, just cover it in medium heat and wait for it to be cooked. Here we can be preoccupied on the texture of the rice. When the rice is cooked, okay, you can take it out because the pepper cooks faster. If necessary, put a little bit more of water to not burn in the bottom of the pan. The rice is the principal, so keep an eye on it. When you see that it's totally cooked, it's already done. And here, guys, you can put other things like ham, mozzarella on top of it, okay? It would be sensational as well. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. And guys, make this recipe at your house. You will surprise everybody. You can make it with red pepper, yellow pepper. You can choose your favorite one, okay? This one is super tasty, you know, and it's a very complete dish. It's just missing the protein that if you want to put some meat, chicken, it's also perfect. Kisses, guys, and see you on the next video.